Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing. I am going to be assembling this Kalolary greenhouse for outdoors. So there we have it. Now I'm trapped inside. I can just simply put these ties on. These come down a little bit further. I can unzip myself out of here now. Ha! Okay, so that's pretty sweet. I have these little ties in here that we can zip down. And then it has these little edges here. So you can put some rocks down on there or whatever. So even though it's fairly sturdy, I don't think it's gonna, if it blows, the wind is gonna blow it. All right, I will be putting this outside so we can see how it looks, but this just has a dual zipper right here, and we can just walk right in. As we can see, I'm about 5'11", and I still have about, a couple inches above me, so we can kind of get in here and walk around. It's pretty it's a decent size. It's a good little greenhouse here. We got about about 2.5 feet, I'd say 5 feet of shelving here in each one. So these aren't like super duper strong, but you could put a 2x4 under there or something else. This will probably hold quite a bit anyways there. They are like a little flexible. This whole thing is, if it's windy or whatever, it's gonna flex a little bit. We have these ties that we can put on here all over. And then also at the bottom, you can see the tarp comes out a little bit. You can put rocks or maybe sandbags on top of that, and that's going to keep it from blowing away or anything like that if you're in a windy area. But nice and waterproof. Feels actually pretty sturdy. It's going to move around a little bit with the wind, but I think it's going to hold nicely. So pretty happy with this. I'm going to put it outside. Hopefully it's going to be nice tomorrow. We can see what it looks like and get some plants, grow some peppers or something in our hothouse. That would be really nice, or some tomatoes or something. So thanks for watching, my friends. We'll see you soon. Okay, friends, here I have it out in the yard. Nice and sunny out today. And I can just unzip my thing here and go inside. All right. Oh my goodness. Whew. It's probably, I can't even stand there. It's probably at least 20 degrees hotter in there right now than outside. So that'll be nice for tomatoes and peppers. Let's take a look inside here. All right. So I haven't put down the little straps there. You can put the stakes in the ground. It gets 4 stakes, and they have these little loops on the edge, and we can put our ropes in there to hold it down. If you live in a windy area, also these flaps that come down here, I'll probably just put like a cinder block on those going around, just in case it's a little windy. But coming in here, I got one little plant so far, and probably do some tomatoes and some peppers would be pretty good. These shelves, they seem kind of flimsy, but they actually hold quite a bit of weight here. So yeah, it's definitely hotter in here, and it's got plenty of space where I can move around. I could tie these, get these all tied on here, and it's just going to be nice and stable. This door also rolls up. You can just roll the door up, and then you can tie it up like a tent flap right here, so to keep that there, to get some ventilation in here. But anyways, my friends, super nice. Really happy with the way it turned out, and it's definitely working already. So thanks so much for watching this video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.